my dear students. I hope you all are active and safe at your home. This lesson is for class 3. Today is 9th of August 2021. Day is Monday. I'm your English teacher Afaf Habib Khan. My dear children, this is our topic for this week. Topic is Reading Comprehension, Etizaz Hasan Shaheed, a National Hero. Through this lesson, you are going to learn a lot about a national hero, Etizaz Hasan Shaheed. Here are lesson objectives. You will be able to learn about a national hero and you will read the passage and answer comprehension questions. These are the objectives that we will achieve by the end of this lesson. Look at this picture. Do you know who he was? My dear kids, he was a Pakistani schoolboy from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. His name was Etizaz Hasan Bangash. Okay, he was just 15 years old and he sacrificed his life for his country. Okay, let's read more about him. So this is our comprehension. Directions are, you have to read the passage about a young boy and then answer the comprehension question. Okay, let's read this passage. Etizaz Hasan Bangash, a 15-year-old boy, lived in Hangu, a village in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. He wanted to join Pakistan Army. He used to say, I'm always ready for my country. Okay. He was just 15 years old boy. Okay. And his village was Hangu in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. And he was very, very brave boy. Etizaz was with his friends near the school gate when he saw a young man entering the school gate. The man was stopped at the gate, but he stated that he wanted to take admission. One of the boys noticed a blasting device attached to his vest. Etizaz's school fellows ran inside the school immediately. What is the meaning of immediately? Immediately means without any delay. Okay. When Etizaz tried to stop the man, he started walking faster towards the school. Then Etizaz ran towards the bomber and grabbed him. Etizaz died at the spot. He saved his school from attackers in the year 2014. He gave his life in order to protect the life of others around him and became Shaheed. Due to his courage and bravery, he is called a national hero by the Pakistan government. His family is proud of him and we salute his bravery. My dear students, now you have to do this comprehension exercise. Here are some questions. To solve this worksheet, you need to read passage, after reading this passage, you will be able to write the answers of these questions. So question number 1 is, how old was Etizaz and where did he belong to? Question number 2 is, what kind of person was Etizaz? Question number 3 is, what did actually happen and when? Question number 4 is, why were the boys suspicious? What's the meaning of suspicious? Suspicious means doubtful, okay? Question number 5 is, how did Etizaz save his school? Question number 6 is, why is Etizaz called a national hero? So you have to write the answers of all these 6 questions. And after that, okay, tell me, have you learned to pronounce these words correctly? Let's check it out. Number 1 is grabbed. Grabbed. Number 2 is courage. Courage. Number 3 is suspicious. 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 Number 4 is immediately. 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 I hope you have understood today's lesson. If there is any difficulty, you can ask it to me, okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice day.